guys, it's your girl Ray Budgets. What's up, my sunshine budgeters? We're back with the Sink is Fun check-in for the end of October. This month went by so fast, so let's go ahead and get into this video because I'm super excited to see where we are now. Okay, so this is my setup. This is the same setup I've always had, except for now I found an app. Hold on, let me see if I can. Yeah, so I found an app where I can use the calculator on the side as well. So let's go right into it. So for moving out, we started out with $380 and we're ending off with $505. So 505 minus 380 is equal to 125, so a plus of 125. Okay, so apartment started off with $330 and is ending with $434. So 434. So 434 minus 330 is a plus of 104. So I think this is the first month where these two totals don't equal the same thing, which is okay. Emergency started with $520 and is ending with 777. So 7777 minus 520 is a plus of $257. So miscellaneous unfortunately was excuse me, taken from, so it only has $30, so that's a minus of $40. Household, okay, 76 and now has 86, so that's a plus of $10. Car maintenance started off with $280 and it's ending up with $345 minus 280 is a plus of 65. So medical had 115 and now it's 140, so that should be 35. 140 minus 25. Renisha started off with 45 and is ending with 65. So that's a plus of $20. Investments had 16 and now it has 25. 25 minus 16 is a plus of $9. Wait, no, that's wrong. I was looking at the wrong envelope, moving too fast. So 65. So investments has 23. So 23 minus 16 is plus 7. So future has 25. 25 minus 18 is plus 7. Inclusive beauty had 110 and now it has 135. So that's a plus of 25. And then retirement has 31. So 31 minus 22 is a plus of 9. So we did really good. The only one that got taken out of was miscellaneous. So we'll calculate all the numbers at the end. Alright, so gifts has $75 now. So that's a plus of 25. Travel has $91, so that's a plus of 30. Student loan started off with 115 and now has 144. So 144 minus 115 is a plus of $29. Clothes has 51 now. So 51 minus 32 is a plus of 19. Self-care has $78 now, which this one really, I don't too much, you know, because I'm always going to be taking money out of self-care, so I might move this to my cash envelopes. I'm not sure yet. So 78 minus, 83 minus 78 is a minus of $5. I'm sorry it keeps jumping. I keep accidentally like pressing that, and I'll have to pay $5 a year for it to not have ads. So no thank you. School now has 128, so that's a plus of $28. Car tags now has $100 and is fully stuffed, so we don't have to stuff this one anymore, so that's a plus of $40. Parents has 102, so 102 minus 67 is a plus of $35. Christmas, of course, does not have anything at all. Tech has 27, so that's a plus of $5. Grocery rollover started off with 37 and now has 67, so we were able to roll over $30. Okay, and then for savings, this has 67, so 67 minus 55 is $12, and they should be the same thing because I deposit the same amount into each, so 62, so that's a plus of $12. And then this now has 430, so that's a plus of $30. So I'll just go through and add up everything, and then we will figure out our final totals. Alright, so I just go here and put all the ending numbers. So for high priority, we have 2,596, 2,596, and that is a addition of $614. For low priority, we have 863, and that is an addition of 236. For savings, we have an addition of 559 plus $54. And I'm not going to do money challenges anymore, just because I will eventually end up adding them to these categories anyway. Like, I finished this seasonal savings challenge right here from Budget with Brands. I finished the fall, and I finished it today actually, so I did meet the $250, but I ended up adding it to moving out, apartment, and emergency. So it's kind of like I would be double adding it, if that makes sense, and that's kind of what confused me the last time. So I just decided that I won't be having this in my sinking funds check-in. But yeah, so let's go ahead and add this up. So 1982 plus 627 plus 505 is 3,114. So for the end balance, we have 2596 plus 863 plus 559 is $4,018. So that is a plus of $904. So almost $1,000 in a month. So yeah, guys, that is the end of my sinking funds check-in. The next time you see this will probably not be in there at all. Yeah, so that might not be there at all. I still want to keep this because these are eventual sinking funds I want to save up for. So yeah, thank you guys for checking this out. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.